Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Future Family Night. This is Mr. Robbie here. How's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing this wonderful day we're having? So I hope everyone's excited. We're going to be doing two crafts today. We're going to be doing our rainbow craft here. We're also going to be doing our special science STEAM project, which is we're going to be making homemade Play-Doh with simple ingredients. It'll be very exciting to experiment. So we're gonna get started, everybody. And then also we have the secret code in this video as well. So keep an eye on that secret code, and we'll give you details when you see that secret code. Okay, stay tuned. So we're gonna get our fingers moving. We're gonna do our first craft here. We're gonna be making our little rainbow craft, like I said earlier. And you picked up this craft in all three Moreno Valley Public Library locations while supplies last. So hopefully you get to pick one up. If you have already, good job. And they're all free, by the way. So we're going to open this up, and we're going to pick up all of our items. And we're going to be getting the whole bag out. Everything. So now we've got all the colors we have here. So we're going to go, like I was showing the instructions, we're going to go from smallest to biggest to smallest. So we got the red, and then we got the orange, and we got the, we got the yellow, and then we got the green, and then we got the blue, and we got the purple. All right. So we're gonna get started. So we're gonna start with the small one first, this purple one. So we're going to begin the glue. And we're going to be gluing the corner, like so. And then make it like that, if you can see. And then we're going to get the other next color, which will be blue. And we're going to get it in the corner over here, just like aligned it at the side, like that. And next, we're going to be going to our next color. We're going to be going to, which is green. So we go on top of that, and we're going to stick the green on top of the blue. So now we're getting like a little pattern here. And then we're going to our yellow. And we got a yellow one here, so we're going to stick it on, we're going to glue the right here. And we're going to get this yellow one, and we're going to stick it on top of the green on the edge. And we also got the orange one. Aren't you glad you picked orange? I certainly did. So we're going to get the orange, and we're going to put it like this on the side. And now we go to the red one, and we're going to glue on the side here. And we're going to put the red one on the corner. So now they're all glued onto the side. So if you open it up, that side's all red. If we go to this side, you can see the rainbow pattern right here. Isn't that look cool? I'm going to be using tape since this is still drying. You can use tape, you can use a stapler, you can do whatever makes it better for you to keep it stick down for now. So we're going to move to the other side. So we got this side. So what we're going to do, we're going to repeat what we did on this side. This time we're going to be gluing on the other end. So if you can see, I got the purple right there. So we're going to get the other end of the purple. We're going to do the same thing, and we're going to glue on the side. And since now all the strips are all to one side, they're all stretched out like this. So we're going to bend a little bit so we can get it even on this side. So it'll be like aligned on that side like this. So see how it's been making a pattern? So now we're going to get with stick the glue on top of the blue. Oops. The blue. And you gotta be careful because it's falling apart. And we're going to stick the we're going to stick the green on top of this part, and so it's gonna be like that on the side. And now we're going to glue the green on right there on the side, and we're going to add, this could be a sticky project, everybody. So crafting is all about. So now we're going to make a pattern like that, and we're going to get the other colors up here. So we got the glue the yellow down, and we're going to put the orange on top, and finally we're going to glue the orange and add the red. So now we got our rainbow here. All right, look at that. So I'm going to use some tape, and I'm going to stick it on this side like so, and there you go. You got a rainbow here. We're not done yet. We're going to add some of our little cotton balls, what we also call pom-poms. My nieces call them pom-poms. I think that's cute. So we're going to glue on the edge, and we're going to get the other pom-pom, and we're going to glue on the side over here, and we're going to get something like this, and we're going to glue on the other end, do the same thing, glue on the sides, and there you go. We got our own rainbow here. That's so cool. There you go. Now I got rainbow, and I got two rainbows here. All right, I hope you enjoyed this craft. And also, our secret code is rainbow. Yes, it's gonna be in capital letters. It's gonna be rainbow. Okay. Okay. If you put the secret code rainbow in all caps into your book points account, the link is in my description on this video. Click on and you can make an account for the library Lovers Month, all month of February. So we got a couple more days still, and you can unlock your badge for this program. With this account, you can track your reading. If you read an hour, you get a 3D bookmark. If you read up to more than 5 hours, you get a grand prize. You can choose out of 3 3D objects of your choice. Just come into any of our Moreno Valley Public Libraries, and we can show you the objects you choose from. All right, so hope you can do that. We've got a few more days still. So now we're going to start doing our Play-Doh craft. Who's ready to do a craft? Real cool Play-Doh craft. So I got my stuff here. I got my ingredients here. So I got some flour in here in this bowl. I also got some salt here, and I also got my food coloring, and I also got some water. All right, we're gonna get started. Oh yeah, you also need a spoon to mix all the ingredients. So I got my flour already in the bowl, and we're going to add the salt, and we're going to pour it into the bowl. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to add the water. I also got my gloves because this is gonna be a gooey job, so I am prepared. So now we're going to pour the water into the bowl. Looks like I'm making hot cereal or oatmeal. All right, so we got that onto the side. So now what we're gonna do with our spoon, we're going to start stirring. You just got to be careful first because everything is still kind of like really wet. So we're going to stir. It's going to start getting kind of clumpy, and so there's no cooking involved with this ingredient. So, and no hot water as well. So if your parents are concerned to be cooking, or the kids, getting their hands with the hot boiling water, or the cream of tartar doesn't involve cream of tartar. So pretty simple ingredients to work with. So it looks like it's starting to take action a little bit. So you can see, looks like I'm making hot cereal. So we're going to be mixing all the ingredients here. Okay. All right, looks like it's taking shape now. Now it's starting to turn into like this big old putty here. So it looks like it's working now. So you can see, look at that. It's all really getting hard here. Like a rock. So that means we're doing a good job here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get a plate, another bowl, and we're going to separate a little piece like so. So now we're going to roll like a little ball. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add food coloring. So I'm going to add the food coloring. So I'm going to start with blue. I'm going to open this up, and then this is where wearing gloves would probably be helpful because you don't want to get this on your hands. So we're going to add some food dye, the blue one. Here, a few dabs. Okay, so I think that should work. And make sure the little lid is closed. We're going to put it down over here. So now we got that. So we're going to mix it all in. Talk about being messy here, huh? So I have my pan here too, because you don't want to get it all over the kitchen table or floor, right? So now we got our blue Play-Doh. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? That's awesome. Look at that, I made Play-Doh. Ah, yes. So we're gonna put the ball right here, put it in here, and then we're gonna get another piece, and we're going to add another color. So I'm gonna use green since I like the color green as well. So we're gonna add a few color to that. Make sure these are closed. You don't want to get it all over the floor. And now we're going to roll in the green one, and we're going to make a green ball. I hope you get to try this. I know this kind of doesn't last too long, but in the meantime, this lasts for maybe an hour or two. So, but it's one of those quick science experiments kids can play with. So if you want to enjoy it for making it and having fun with it for like 2 hours or so, this is one of those kind of activities. So we made our little green one here. So now we got our little blue one. We got a little green Play-Doh here. I'm gonna make one more, and then we'll wrap it up for the day. And we're going to add the red food coloring. So we're going to put it down over here. This is a good opportunity for the parents can help too. This is also good for sensory because you get to feel the shapes, to feel the texture, and so yeah. this will be a fun experiment. I hope you guys get to try this because I had a lot of fun making these. And by the way, the dough smells good, but don't you eat it though. Yeah. Okay, so now, we got a little bit of the red one. I just got a little bit of the different, all mixing colors in there because my hands are like, I need to wash them, but it's still good though. So now we made 3 little Play-Doh balls here. Now you can, play with it, make shapes. That looks so cool. I like how that came out. I hope you guys get to try this experiment. Again, like I said, just for lots of fun. And spring's coming up, so these are kind of cool spring crafts. You can even do this outside and have fun with this. So we made homemade Play-Doh. 3 simple ingredients. We had flour, we had salt, and we had water in a bowl. And that's all you need. And it's also safe. Messy, but safe. Okay, thank you so much everybody for joining us. We made our rainbow, we made some colorful, we made a lot of colors today. So tune in next week. We have Miss Camille doing her STEAM family night. And I'll see you guys in a couple weeks for another cool craft and neuroscience experiments. Until then, this is Mr. Robbie. Enjoy the rest of February and the weekend, and take care, everybody. Bye.